Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of Lajoytra Creation Designs. All right, y'all. So, I was back in the Dollar Tree again, y'all. I was back in the Dollar Tree again. So I'm coming to y'all today with a small haul. I'm going to show y'all some of y'all know what? All I'm going to say is if you snooze, you lose. Get to the Dollar Tree and get yourself some of these shells because the summertime is coming. And you can use these shells, ladies and gentlemen, kings and queens, to make and create a lot of different cute little things. Look at these shells, y'all. Go and get you some of this. I did a video the other day showing y'all some of these shells, but I want to show y'all something that I didn't show y'all the last time. I was in there today, and of course, I had to rack up. I bought 9 jars of these, 9 jars, okay? I got some more of these. I don't know if I did showed y'all these or not. And I thought that these had the holes in them, but they don't. But it doesn't matter because you don't need the holes. You know, you can still make jewelry, y'all, without the holes, okay? I also got these right here. See, they're kind of like, I guess, almost pretty much like the same. I got a couple of more of these. Got 2 more bottles of these. But these are the new ones. This is what I wanted to show y'all. I wanted to show y'all the new ones. So I want to show you these. I want y'all to see what they look like. Okay, so I got this right here. And this is what these look like. See these? Look at these. The summertime, spring and summer is coming, y'all. Look at those. I thought that these were so cute. And you can paint these. Look, like I always say, the sky is the limit to what I can have. All right, y'all. The Clock Sisters. Okay, so I'm going to put these back. So I got these. But I want to show y'all something else that I got that I did not get before. The last time I was talking to y'all, I mentioned those stones. I didn't get the ones. The last time I was there, I saw a bag that I really wanted to get that were really nice. But when I went there today, they had plenty of them, but that bag that I saw was gone already. So I wound up getting these. I want to open it up so you all can see what they look like. I wound up getting these right here, y'all. And the thing that I like about these is, for one, they're flat. So if you want to make a pendant, the sky is the limit. I'm going to do something with these, okay? I'm not going to say what I'm going to do, but I will be doing something with these. Now, I may make it a DIY so that you all can go out and buy these because the Dollar Tree has these stones. If I make it a DIY, that way you all can go out to the Dollar Tree, buy the stones, and recreate what I do. So I have something and I have an idea. And let me tell y'all something too. Any type of stone that comes from the earth, okay? These stones are made from the earth. You know, they come together. It's a lot that goes into creating a stone, okay? So it's all nature. Now, these are not your typical stones like agate and all of that. These are just regular stones. These are pretty much like creek stones, you know, stones that came together in a creek. All right. So I wanted to show y'all these. And I also want to show y'all. Now you're probably going to, when you see this, you're probably going to say, Joyce, what are you going to do? Well, I got these. I got them like this. I got two of them like this. And I got two of them like this. Okay? And these are puzzles. And y'all know that I'm always, like when I say always, I am always looking for something that's, I always have ideas, but when I see something, I'm like, ooh, yes. So I will be coming to you all with a DIY, or I may make something out of it first and then do the DIY on it. I haven't decided yet. But anyway, y'all, this concludes my little Dollar Tree haul. I hope y'all are finding these wonderful, awesome findings, because let me tell you something. The time for you to find these items is now, because what they do at the Dollar Tree is they put a lot of their summer and spring stuff out now, because by the time the summer and spring come, you won't be able to find this stuff. Okay, so make sure you go and you're checking the Dollar Tree just to see if they have any of, you know, these shells and stuff like that, y'all. Okay, so with that being said, I want to thank you all for joining me for this kind of sort of small Dollar Tree haul. I greatly appreciate it. If you are new, if this is your first time to this platform, please subscribe by hitting the all bell button that is on the side, so that every time I upload a video, you will definitely be notified. I want to thank y'all for watching. Have a wonderful and awesome day. And as always, until the next one, peace and blessings. And please give this video a thumbs up. Peace and blessings. See ya.